When I was 10 years old, I was woken by a weird noise one night. These were pretty common where I lived, so I just huddled deep under my covers and tried to go back to sleep. Then I heard it again. It sounded like breathing, and was perfectly in time with my own, to the point it was hidden completely by my own breath, so I only heard it when my pattern changed. I decided to stop breathing suddenly, in case I was just being paranoid, and sure enough the breathing sound stopped. 1 second later, knowing they were caught out, the breathing started again on its own.